Okay, so now let's move to the second part, which is we will solve question 12. So in here, directly I can say, applying the same steps. So delta x, let's change this. Okay, razor, choose this. Okay, so delta x, this is equal to b minus a, which is 3 minus 0, which is 3 over n. So now let's find xi, which is in here. It will be a 0 plus, so which is 0, plus I multiplied by delta x, which is 3 over n. Okay, so this is 3i over n. So now, sigma notation, I equals 1. This is n f of 3i over n. Okay, multiplied by delta x, which is 3 over n. Be careful, you have to be organized once you solve a question like this. So in here we can take 3 over n outside, sigma notation, I equals 1 n over here. Now we can substitute 3i over n, and instead of each x I'll substitute 3i over n. So in here it will be 3i over n all square, which is 9i square over n square, because 3 square is 9, I square is I square, and n square is n square. So plus, okay, 1. Now we can in here factorize this. So this is going to be equal to, so 3 over n multiplied by sigma notation, n I equals 1. Okay, so 9. Let's take 9 outside, it will be better, easier for us. So in here let's erase this. Okay, so this is 9 over n square, I square. Okay, then plus sigma notation, n I equals 1, 1. Okay, so now let's factorize this. 3 over n multiplied by 9 over n square multiplied by n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 6. Okay, this is dot. Then plus 1 multiplied by n. Okay, so now let's simplify this. So 3 over n. Now over here we have a 3, 9 over 3, which is a 3, 6 over 3, which is 2, square with n eliminated. So we can multiply n plus 1 multiplied by 2n plus 1. So in here, 3 over n, it will be multiplied by, so this is 3. So let's multiply these two expressions together. So n with 2n, n with 1. So n multiplied by 2n, 2n square, n multiplied by 1, this is n. Then 1 multiplied by 2n, this is 2n, 1 by 1, which is 1, over 2, plus n. Now also we can simplify it more, so n plus 2n, 3n, and we have 2n square. We can also enter the, so in here instead of writing these I will write 3n. Now let's enter the 3 inside, distributive property. So that will give me 3 over n multiplied by 6 n square plus 9n plus 3, okay, over 2 plus n. Okay, now we can make the denominators the same over here. multiplied by this. So this is going to be equal to what? So in here 6, 3 over n first of all. Now for this it will be okay, so 6n square plus 9n plus 3 plus 2n, okay, divided by 2. That's it. Let's just check our work. So in here n with n, we have n in the denominator actually over here. So this is going to be 2 over n. Okay, so 2 over n. So 2 over n again. So in here 2 over n, 2 over n. This is 2 over n as well. Sorry for that. So we forgot the n. We can write it. So in here, say after simplifying square with n, we have n. Still we have n because the square with n eliminated. Okay, so n to n, that will give me 2n. So here we don't need that. Okay, so we can write it over here. So 2n, 2n. So 2n multiplied by n, which is 2n square. And then here we have 2n. Okay, let's simplify it more. Enter the 3 inside. So 3 times 6, which is 18, n square, plus now 27 n plus 9 plus 6 n square. This is over 2n square. So now limit n tend to infinity, okay, of 18n square plus 6n square, which is 24n square, plus 27n plus 9 over 2n square. So I will take the highest over the highest, which is 24 over 2, the leading coefficients only, which is equal to 12. That's it. This is the answer of my question. So next, inshallah, we will try to explain another topic. So see you then.